Alrighty guys, today I'm going to just kind of go over build plans and stuff for the GMC. For some of you new viewers, if you haven't seen it before, I got this truck from my great uncle. It's a 1979 GMC. It's got a Jasper 350 in it right now, with a 4-speed manual. It is 4-wheel drive. I'll show you the inside real quick. This is what the inside looks like as of right now. I got the dash bezel off and everything. 4-speed, got the seat and everything pulled out of it. I got to do some patchwork on the floor, but that's how it sits right now. It has a flatbed on it. It is a half-ton truck, so it's got the 6-lug wheels on it. What I plan on doing with this truck is just basically restoring it, fixing it up. I do have a surprise for you guys coming, hopefully by next weekend, for this truck. It's kind of a big surprise, so be sure to stick around to see what that holds for you. But I'll probably end up changing fenders out, inner fenders, doors, redoing cab corners, rockers, inner rockers, probably new front bumper. Might do like a heavier duty front bumper. Probably gonna do a 4-inch lift on it. Sorry for the wind noise, but I'm gonna probably keep the original rims and tires on it for now. Probably sandblast them, paint them black, and then probably gotta do a 33-inch tire. I'll probably do, as far as exhaust work goes, I'll probably have it come out and behind the cab here somewhere. And yeah, that's basically gonna be it. I haven't decided on paint yet. I might do like a gunmetal gray up top and then a sunburnt orange where the red is. But the flatbed's gonna be fully redone with rhino liner. I'm gonna replace all the chicken lights on the sides and stuff, if you want to call them that. Probably straighten up this rear bumper a little bit, and yeah, should be a fun little project. It hasn't been ran in probably 4 to 5 years, so that might be a little bit of a task trying to get it going again, but that might be part of the surprise that I'm talking about here in the near future. So yeah, I'm gonna shut you guys down real quick, and I'll be back in a second. Okay guys, I'm back. Like I said, I'm gonna probably do a 4-inch lift. I might change up wheels and tires once I get the lift on. I might do like aftermarket at some point. I don't know when yet, but I'll probably do basically a full restoration on it, like I said, from ground up. Get the motor fixed and everything. Do aftermarket wheels, maybe do a train horn, paint, fix all the rust, everything on it. Gonna rhino line the bed, and like I said, I'm gonna have the exhaust come out about in this area right below the cab corner once I get it fixed. So it's gonna be pretty loud. It'll be nice once I get it done. I just want to get it running now, before I start into auto body work on it and stuff. So I'm probably going to drain all the fluids. I'm going to take the exhaust off because you can see it's right here. There's the muffler. Let me bring you around back. Around back, you can see it. There's a hole in the exhaust right in here. So I'm just going to go ahead and take it off. Probably cut it off up closer to the cab of the truck and then just yank everything out. I'm probably going to keep the mud flaps on it just because I like the looks. I might do some underglows like on the underneath side of the bed here, and just to give it a little bit more custom look, but I haven't decided yet. Be sure to stick around. It's going to be a cool little build series. So I want to thank you guys for getting me to 230 something subscribers. Let's keep it going. Once I hit 500, I will be doing another giveaway. I haven't decided what I want to do yet. I might do like a 24-inch light bar with like 2 little pods or something in that sort. But I'll let you know once we hit the 500 subscriber mark what we'll do. I'll probably just do it like how I did my first giveaway. Just toss everyone's name in a hat. I'll probably have you guys comment on a video like your name. Toss all those names in the hat, and then I'll have my sister or cameraman Clayton draw a name out so it's fair. But yeah, thanks for sticking around, guys. Thanks for the support. Be sure to click on my little picture of my truck down in the bottom right corner to subscribe. And yeah, I'll catch you guys again. Peace.